Printer Sales, Diagnostics and Repairs by Richard John. Tech ID 1022497. Field Services Eligibility in Miami-Dade County and parts of Broward County. Providing the best services for our customers, clients and partners. Software updates, diagnostic and repairs, professional installation, professional assembly, logistics and transportation and more. We pride ourselves on customer satisfaction. IT solutions from a trusted and reliable source. We provide firmware updates. Once the code is downloaded and implemented, this will improve the functionality of printers by fixing bugs, enhancing security features, adding new capabilities, and optimizing performance. It's crucial to keep your printer software updated to ensure smooth operation and protect against potential security vulnerabilities. As technical support professionals, we help our customers and resolve issues with software, hardware, and networks. Log on to rjoventuresinc.com.